All right, guys, we're just gonna be honest with you. We were wrong about storage units. We've really been getting our butt kicked. And today we're gonna show you what's going on, and then we're gonna see what we gotta do to make it happen.
I think they just need a little TLC. Less discouraged, I'm optimistic.
Garrett's held on to that optimism for the last year.
I refuse to give up.
All right, you can see here are the storage units. We've got about 1,001 problems, and I'm Mr. Optimistic. This is a tenant that is behind on rent, over $6,000. They rented this space and this space. We are in the process of starting the eviction process. The problem is their vehicles are covering literally our entire property here. If you just want to walk over here, I'm sure this is someone with them too. I have no shame anymore. I've lost my cool. I've given up. As you can see, they rent this space. There's garbage everywhere. There's all of this. None of this space are they paying for. Car.
There's also a dog in the car, which that's a gorgeous creature.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 2 over there. 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 and a half because this top. 16, 17. We're gonna count those as quarters. All the tires. They just continue to dump. What number am I at?
18.
18, 19. This should count for 2, 20, 21, more tires, 21 and a half, 22 and a half, 23 and a half, a boat. How many cars does a boat count for?
Boat's at least 2 cars.
24, I think 24 and a quarter, 27. We're just gonna jump to 28, 29, 30, 31. Guys, it gets worse. This is so bad. I'm losing my mind. 20, what number are we at?
I think you're at 31.
31. How do you do this to us, homie? 32. 33. Come on, we're not even close. All right, I need you to, you can hear in my voice.
Chandler's walking aggressively, and it is really cold. I'm less aggressive.
What are we at? 34, 35, 36, 37. We made the mistake of renting this out along with the shop in the back.
We believe he painted it himself. It was not this color previously.
Yeah, we don't
appreciate the paint job. I do not appreciate the color.
We're gonna lose count. We gotta keep going. 38, 38 and a half, 39 and a half, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and I'm sure there's one in the garage, 46.
I mean, honestly, the guy's done well for himself. 46 cars, that's more than I've had.
All of them, I think, don't work. He's running this shop. We have begged, we've pleaded, we've tried to push for rent. And honestly, it's just because we have not held management accountable, and he has not been held accountable. And with all the craziness in me and Garrett's lives, we did not make this a priority. And the next video that you watch, we will make this a priority.
Let's just say the sheriff's coming out. Not the Idaho Falls sheriff, the Chan and Yogi sheriffs.
Now, I'm trying to be completely transparent because we've had a lot of wins, me and Yogi, when it comes to finding good deals on real estate, finding cash flowing real estate, finding appreciating real estate.
Our level of attractiveness. That's a win. Something to be grateful for, just being honest.
And so when we say we're doing well on a piece of real estate, we're doing well. We sometimes don't share the harder things, but we're going to with this. And I think a big part of it is these storage units have continued to bring in the amount of money that we need every month. Like legitimately, we are consistently between $9,000 and $12,500 every month after maintenance fees, which is where we needed to be for where we purchased this place.
Oh yeah.
However, I called management and we have dropped the hammer. We are gonna make moves on the eviction. We also have other tenants, if you come over here, that have just been leaving stuff everywhere. This is gonna be a unique video. There's not gonna be a single cut. I'm so fired up. I'm just gonna rant for the entire video.
We've had a really warm winter with no snow, and Chandler picked the one day that it's like 26 degrees to make me come
This
out.
guy, I literally want to have a fight with him. And I want to bring Garrett with me in case he's bigger than I think. Look, more of these cars. I missed those. What are we at? In the 30s now?
No, you're at like 43, I think.
Oh, good night.
Call it 50.
But this trailer, he has been asked to move it literally dozens of times. And he pulls it out and then it's back the next day. Pulls it out. We've towed it multiple times. Honestly, I shouldn't tell you, I think someone in the management company just hooked it up to a trailer and abandoned it somewhere. And it shows back up. It's like a magical trailer, and I'm losing my mind because every time I come to check in, it's here. I'm not walking through that or I'll really be pissed off. These guys, they just keep parking their cars here. That's not allowed.
Look, this is going to show you how cold it is.
So many. I'm going to love it when you fall through so much. That was a bold move.
Yogi from 2 years ago would have fallen through. I'm down 50 pounds.
So I'm just at a breaking point. I called our management and they're like, Chandler, we tow half a dozen cars every single week. And I've seen them towed. I know we're towing them. We got to get on top of it.
We did get some new security cameras, and it swivels.
Yeah.
It gets the whole area.
We've added new security. We've dropped the hammer, and as of this month, I think we've already evicted, I don't know, it was a lot. I think it was like close to a dozen people. The mistake we made is we used a company called Sparefoot because we wanted to get rid of our vacancy. They got rid of our vacancy, and they filled it with horrendous tenants. And so the problem with it is you can't do screening through Sparefoot. And I don't know what we were thinking, guys. We just made a lot of mistakes with this property.
Some call them mistakes, others call them opportunities for improvement.
So we had people out. We just got rid of all of the weeds that looked horrible. We added cameras. Oh, come look at this. This is so absurd. This guy, I want to swear.
Don't do it. We're going for
this guy.
Kid approved.
Yeah, it'll get demonetized. The amount of words I've said when I wasn't at monetization risk. Look at what this guy's done. He's running a full-blown shop out of this thing. Look at this. That's probably illegal, isn't it? It's gotta be. So ridiculous.
I'm confident that that's illegal.
Keeps losing his key, cutting in to getting back in. What even is this? I don't know that I've ever made a video like this. Did not feel cute, might not post later.
I just feel cold. Think that the mustache would give me warmth, but it doesn't.
So here's the deal. Me and Garrett really, we just haven't put time, effort, energy into this. The money has rolled in. We're probably gonna spend a lot of it to get this back to working shape. And then we're gonna let you know how that turns out.
Here's one thing you've failed to mention so far. I'm excited about this. I think this might make the game changer. We're getting new signage, and it's gonna have our faces on it. That alone, people are gonna respect it when they see us. Future mayor of Idaho Falls. They're not doing this to the future mayor of Idaho Falls. I'm calling my shot. The new mayor's name is Lisa. She's got 4 years, and then I'm coming for her. They're not doing that to the future mayor of Idaho Falls. This place is going to look a lot better with some new signage.
So here's the deal, guys. We are taking back the storage units. The next video we make, we are taking names and we're taking back our storage units.
You're finally going to buy me those boots that you owe me from laying on that mattress all those years ago. They're going to be necessary.
Whatever it takes, I'll buy the boots. I don't even care.
Ostrich skin.
Okay, as long as you will. I need a different Garrett though. The optimism, I appreciate it, but the next video we make,
I'll bring the heat.
We are kicking people out of here. We're coming with the police, and you guys will see it because it is the only way we're going to take back these units.
I'm in.
And I am just broken. I've never made a video like this, but everything else, I think really we've just had a lot of hard, crazy, wild things over the last couple years in our lives, and we just haven't thought about it, and now we are going to put in the effort and energy required. We're going to get us ranked SEO-wise. We're going to get our website going. We're going to make sure that our reviews are phenomenal. And we are going to get proper tenants in this space. We're going to get it cleaned up. And this crap isn't gonna fly anymore. So that's the video for today. It's a much different vibe than you've historically seen at the storage units. I'm sorry I had to bring it. From now on, we will be doing monthly updates. If I don't do a monthly update, you guys let me have it.
You owe me $1,000.
That'll
hold him to it.
1 month from now, if we don't do it, I will give you $1,000.
3 months in a row.
3
months in a
deal.
row.
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it.
You
We're
heard
gonna
it
make
here
it happen
first.
because we are going to fix these storage units. So, if you enjoyed this blatant honesty, make sure you like, subscribe. I don't have anything else to say other than we need to get this fixed, and we're gonna share with you guys. I'm gonna get the exact numbers of who we evict, how we evict them. We're gonna get some good video of people getting kicked out of here. I hope something crazy happens, honestly. I'm just broken, but not anymore.
Not too crazy.
You know who's gonna be broken? The people that rented here and took advantage of Yogi and Chan. That's who's gonna be broken.
Dang right, partner.
Signing out. Till next time.